Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 865. Here we are on Cash App in the new dark mode. If you want to learn how to do this, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments for Cash App. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Hop over to the investing section here, make sure we're on the Bitcoin tab. Current Bitcoin price is $36,430, down about 6% today, unfortunately. My current holdings are $3,196. We're down about 1% on the week, so you could just say we're going sideways a little bit there. Down about 9% on the month, and it kind of just looks like we're going sideways. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully we're just accumulating sideways here for a while. That's the best case scenario right now. Up 290% over the past year. You can see we did go all the way up around $64,000. So we're down here in this zone right here, which is similar to where we were here. So hopefully this is where people are like, all right, let's accumulate some coins here. You don't want to see it drop below these levels and come back down into this 20K range, but anything could happen. Doesn't really matter for this experiment. We're just going to keep dollar cost averaging, and that would suck for the rest of my portfolio, but I welcome it for this experiment to accumulate some more cheap Bitcoin. Let's scroll down here, see the news. I don't see anything too crazy on there. I know Michael Saylor is trying to buy $1 billion more worth of Bitcoin. That's always good news. Current Bitcoin owned is 0.08773349. You can see under activity we're purchasing daily, so let's go ahead and do that. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, tap confirm. Just like that, we bought one more dollar of Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin owned 0.0877613. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,195 divided by 865 days equals a 3.69x on my investment. So still doing very well there. Just going to continue with the strategy, buying $1 every single day. Like I said, hopefully Bitcoin just continues to go sideways for a while. I think that's the best case scenario right now. If not, we could see a dip down to these lower levels, but there's no telling for sure. Just gotta wait and see. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.